Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the first Christmas coin that I'm doing this shirt review on. It comes from the Pitcairn Islands. It's a 50p. It has Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II on it. So this was actually agreed before her death earlier on this year. And it's part of it is a coin that is to do with a toy, quite a successful toy. I believe it's also been used in TV series. It's called Elf on the Shelf, and basically if we look at the coin in particular, we have a Christmas tree on that side. I think some books on this side. Then we have the Elf on the Shelf. Underneath at the bottom we have Elf on the Shelf, so you can tell what the coin is. This is a very commercial style 50p, far more commercial say than some of the ones that we've had. I think Pitcairn probably produced this. It's not something that I would have instantly recognised as an iconic thing of our time. However, I have been told by a lot of younger children that Elf on the Shelf is very popular. It's uncirculated. It's brilliantly uncirculated. It says the quality is uncirculated, so it's not even a BU coin. It's very nice, and I think it will do well and it will sell well for them. I think it's an interesting subject matter in the fact that we in this country haven't seen anything like this. I think it will, as I say, sell well, and it will be something that brings Pitcairn Islands into focus in the world of coin collecting particularly, and also it will do well for the company bringing their name into areas and people that wouldn't normally perhaps think of anything to do with Elf on the Shelf, me included. I think it's a decent coin. I think it's a fun coin for Christmas, and you can see kids enjoying getting this on, opening it up as a little extra present in their Christmas stocking. So yes, I think it will work very well. I think the coin itself is a decent, it's not too naff, for want of a better word. I think it's something that will be happily received in amongst the kids and such like, and the fans of this particular toy. So yes, it's a good coin. Yes, yes, I think it will do well. It's not perhaps something I would have thought of automatically, but I think it works in this case as a novelty coin. If you've enjoyed this review, please give me a thumbs up, and if you've not yet subscribed, please think about doing so, as both will help with the algorithm that puts me in front of people that have not seen my work before. And although I've hit my target of 100 for this year, I still would very much like to grow the channel even further. If you're having a coin hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are doing a review or buying coins, then I hope you can find the coins that you want for the price that you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying for the video. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you find something that you enjoy, which I say a minimum of 4 videos a week. And until we meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-ra now.